What if your mind isn't just part of the universe, but the very substance of it? Welcome to the Hermetic Principle of Mentalism, the first and most foundational law of the ancient Hermetic teachings. This principle asserts that the all is mind. In other words, everything that exists is mental in nature. Hermes Trismegistus, the legendary figure behind Hermeticism, taught that reality is shaped and sustained by thought. Modern science might call it quantum observation. Mystics might call it divine mind. But the core idea is the same. Consciousness precedes matter. This isn't about magical thinking. It's about understanding that the mind is not passive. It's an active force, a creator. Have you ever noticed how your beliefs shape your experience? Two people can experience the same event, yet interpret it completely differently. That's mentalism in action. Your mindset, consciously or unconsciously, frames your reality. This also explains the power of visualization, intention setting, and focused attention. You become what you dwell on. You attract what you consistently expect. The inner becomes the outer. Interestingly, mentalism aligns with modern simulation theory. Philosophers and physicists like Nick Bostrom suggest we might live in a simulated reality. Hermeticism says, yes, but the simulator is consciousness itself. Your mind is both the observer and the coder. So, how do you use this principle? Start by watching your thoughts. What story are you running? Use affirmations not to lie to yourself, but to redirect your subconscious. Meditate on the idea that the all is mind. Feel the implications of that truth. Once you internalize that your thoughts shape your life, you stop being a passive victim. You start being the author. And that's where your power begins. Mentalism is the key that unlocks every other Hermetic principle. It is the blueprint of creation, the master law. If this resonated with you, watch the next episode where we dive into the law of correspondence, as above, so below. Subscribe to Mystic Archive for more esoteric knowledge, spiritual systems thinking, and the ancient truths that modern men are finally ready to remember.